Hello, my name is Casey Delaney, and this is my game I made for the C++ project class for University of North Dakota E304. This is the code for the project. I mapped it all out here, and then I wrote it all in the programmer. When I made the program, I ran it forever, debugged it, but here I just copied and pasted the actual program into a Word document, which I'll send to you so you can review it. This is the Snake program in the compiler. You can go here, you can run the game. The game is a simple Snake program. You use the arrow keys on the keyboard. This isn't working very well. To actually move the snake around. It's a very simple game that took me forever to do it, even because probably I don't know what I'm doing so well. I had a lot of help from my daughters, who are 6 and 8. They were my troubleshooters. So as I made the program, they're the ones that troubleshot the game for me and had it going. So every time that it crashed, they would be the ones that would reboot it for me. As I was making the program, they were giving me hints on what to add, how to make the game a lot funner. The speed was really too fast for them when I first started the game, so I had to slow it down quite a bit. But I didn't want to go too slow, because if it went too slow, then the game became really easy to play. So we had it going here. With the program, when you run the program, as it first starts, it runs the snake. You got apples on the screen, and the idea is to eat the apples. All right. We tried putting obstacles in place on the screen, but I had problems with it crashing, so we took them all out. So now the screen is pretty much blank, except for the apples they have to eat. As you eat the apples, the snake actually gets longer and longer. The head follows the body. If you happen to run into one of the borders, the program actually crashes on you, and you get the game over and what your score is on the game as you play it. Then you can just restart it and play it all over again as needed be. That's pretty much the game. It's pretty simple. When I first ran the program here, I had to debug it for days and days because it wasn't working very well for me. But as soon as I got the program debugged, I had to take out a lot of the extras and add in simpler programs for it to run and stuff. But once I got it, then it ran. As the snake eats the bodies, he gets longer and longer. Once all the apples on the screen get eaten, it will actually add more apples to the screen, and then you can restart the program or whatnot. And that's my snake game. The end.